Are you looking for a luxurious condo with stunning views in downtown West Palm Beach? Well, then stick around because I'm going to share with you a secret today that could change everything in your life.
Before we peek inside this gorgeous residence, let's take a look at what's happening all around us. The city of West Palm Beach is booming, and more people from all over the world with an appreciation for the finer things in life are looking to settle down here. It's no surprise that there are several new luxury and ultra-luxury condominium development projects going up all around us, which will be sure to bring increased value to your home right here.
And this is the secret. These condos are going anywhere from $3 million to over $15 million. So this may be your last chance to score one of these condos for these prices.
Why are people flocking here? It's not just for the views, which are amazing. We are at the center of luxury here, surrounded by a lifestyle that traditionally has only been available to the rich and famous.
Such as golf and country clubs like the Breakers Palm Beach, multiple polo and equestrian centers, sailing and yachting at Palm Beach Yacht Club, and we can never forget the world-famous Clematis Street where you can party until the sun comes up at numerous lounges, bars, and nightclubs.
After an exciting day of shopping or a fun night out on town, you'll come home to the Trianon, a historic landmark building situated just to the south of the Royal Palm Bridge and right on the intracoastal waterway. This building has recently undergone a structural renovation, and work is in progress for the beautification of the common areas and the addition of a brand new fitness center and bike storage. Your private residence awaits you on the 17th floor, away from all the hustle and bustle. Speaking of views, there is no shortage of them here, but it is this spectacular view of the intracoastal and Atlantic Ocean that keeps me coming back onto this patio. This beautifully remodeled corner unit features 2 spacious bedrooms and bathrooms, contemporary flooring, custom window treatments, and even a coveted window in the kitchen that brings in natural light and stunning views of the city. If you want to see this luxury condominium, give us a call.
And if you want to see more videos just like this one, hit the notification bell and tap that subscribe button.